Hey, hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today I just want to do a quick talk in regards to why you want to do investment. Okay, a lot of people misunderstand. They say investment is gonna be failing money and all these things. I don't want to invest because I'm lazy to do these things. I don't want it, I don't want that. And all these things actually happens. I do understand because a lot of people also tell me that don't do investment, you're gonna lose money overnight. Don't buy stocks, don't buy shares, don't buy this, don't buy that. And at the same time, people make money, okay? The richest people here in the whole entire life, they have three different revenues. Real estate, shares, stocks, anything, and then at the same time, they have their own business, okay? All these rich people have that. Everybody, even the non-rich people have stocks, shares, and real estate itself. So what are you telling me that I do not need to do real estate investment? Why do I not need investment? Why do I not need to buy shares? Why do I not need to buy stocks? The reason why is because people tell you that, hey, you don't get it in because they are in there and they know that this is a bad time to go into stocks, so they tell you do not go into the stocks. But okay, at the same time, you still have to know how money works, correct? So how money works is actually there is depreciation. Okay, money does depreciate. It's like you buy a car and it depreciates through a period of time, and then at the end of the day, when there is no car value, you get to scrap the car and stuff. So through this period of time when money starts to depreciate, there is inflation. What the hell? Inflation is actually money, the price of a product. For example, today you get a candle wax holder. Okay, this thing costs 20 cents. All right. Now after a year, these things inflate and it costs 30 cents. However, you didn't count in the money that is depreciated. So you might have 10,000 today. Depreciation works as through 1 year, you do not have 30,000 anymore. Even if you put it into bank, you put it into savings, you get 0.1%, you're happy with it. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, some countries have faster depreciation rate, like maybe 6%, 3%, 2%. You got to know your numbers, all right? Money depreciates. Okay, money depreciates. Okay, and then when you go into it, things inflate. Okay, price inflates. Today this is 20 cents. Tomorrow, the next year, maybe it's gonna be 30 cents because of the rental increase, tax increase, many different factors that affect the price around. So money is a factor itself. Do not be so fixated into money itself, because the property is like that. You get depreciation in money. You cannot hold all your money in a hole. Today you own 50,000. Next year you don't own 50,000. Even if you have this 50,000, due to depreciation itself. So you have to understand where your money is losing out. How do you gain back? Therefore, you go into investment itself. Yes, people do say investment is bad. Investment is not good. But however, all these people that are rich, they have it. You just have to know how to invest, how to do it properly. If you want to do real estate investment, Zero to Real Estate Investment is one of the books that you can get. All the information in regards to real estate are there. Whatever that I found through the time where I find that it's actually workable for my point of view in the property world itself. I feel that whatever that I have known and whatever that I want to know and I should have known about property, I've plunged them in. So yeah, pretty much I've come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys know that investment is actually something important due to depreciation and inflations of money. The reason why you want money to be forever there, as in it's not forever there, but however you want to actually break even with the depreciation that is happening in your country right now, you have to do investment. Otherwise, when you start earning money, you are just, putting money in, poking them together and wait for them to depreciate, waiting for them to rot. Something like that. So okay, my name is Forever Looney. I hope you guys know a little bit about how this depreciation and inflation works and why do you need to do investment itself. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh yeah, please like, subscribe, and actually share this video to your friends. Okay, my name is Forever Looney. I'll see you guys on the next video.